Planning a trip to the UK? Whether it's London, Edinburgh, or the countryside, here's exactly how to book an Airbnb, step by step. First, open the Airbnb app or visit airbnb.com. In the search bar, type your destination, for example, London, Manchester, or Bath. Next, choose your check-in and check-out dates, then enter the number of guests staying. Now let's fine-tune your search. Use the filters to select your price range, choose your preferred property type, like entire place, private room, or shared room, and pick the amenities you need, Wi-Fi, kitchen, washer, or parking. Once results load, take your time browsing listings. Click on each one to view the photos, read the description, and most importantly, check the guest reviews. Look for feedback on things like cleanliness, neighborhood safety, and host responsiveness. When you find the right place, click Book. Review the price breakdown, including the nightly rate, cleaning fee, and Airbnb's service fee. Don't forget to review the cancellation policy, which may vary between flexible and strict. Enter your payment details, then click Confirm Booking. You'll get a confirmation email with all your trip details. It's also a good idea to message your host and introduce yourself or ask about check-in instructions. And that's how you book an Airbnb in the United Kingdom. Quick and easy. See you in the next tutorial.